Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make fabric softener at home. It is so easy to do. I hope you like this video and I hope you learn something. Let's get started. And starting with what you need, we have color. I choose the blue color. Number 2, we have perfume. I am using the lavender perfume. And number 3 and the last ingredient is the conditioner base. And all these ingredients can be found at a chemical shop near you. Now in a large pot I have boiled 5 liters of water, and then I'm just going to mix in the conditioner base. Like you've seen, I have added it into the pot. Then I'm going to give this a thorough stir like you see on the video, ensuring that everything dissolves and making sure that no lumps are being formed. At this point my flame is on and the fire is on medium high. So guys, making your own fabric softener at home saves you so much time and so much money. I have also done a video on how to make your own liquid detergent at home. I'm going to link it in the description below for anyone who is interested. And like you're going to see, it doesn't need any expertise to do. So at this point, like you see on the video, the conditioner base had dissolved. So next we are going ahead to add the color, and the color came in powder form, but I just added a quarter cup of water to the color so that it dissolves easily into the mixture. So I went ahead and added a small amount. You do not have to use the whole, like you do not have to use all the color that you were given with the chemical. And after adding a small amount of color, I went ahead and switched off the flame, and then now going ahead to add my lavender perfume. There are several perfumes in the chemical shop. You can choose whichever you like, whichever you prefer. This is my preferred scent, and I just added that. Give that a very good mix like you see on the video. And the idea is to ensure that the perfume is incorporated into the mixture and to ensure that no lumps are being formed. At this point, be sure to check for any lumps formed after by the conditioner base. Once everything has been incorporated into the mixture, leave that for 24 hours, and this is the mixture 24 hours later. You'll find that something like a crust has been formed onto the softener, but this is nothing to worry you. You're just going to give that a good mix, and within 5 minutes it should all be dissolved into the fabric softener. Just mix, and also have a set of equipment that you use for this purpose, for making your soaps, your detergent, everything, so that you do not mix up with the pots that you're going to cook with for your family. So I went ahead, mixed everything, and like you can see here, everything had come together nicely. The fabric softener is ready to use after 24 hours. Guys, it took me less than 20 minutes to do that process, and I hope you like this video. I hope you purpose to give it a try. I hope you purpose to save some money in your homestead, and watch another video on this channel, and bye bye.